So we're back, and we've widened out the shot a little bit here, and you can see obviously our backdrop is not quite big enough to cover
our scene, our new scene, our new setup.
But that's because we have a product here that takes a little bit more space and yet is very svelte. This is called the OneLessDesk, and it's actually made by a company right here in Phoenix.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So they said, let's drop one off here. And what it is it's a small desk if you have kids or if you just have a small amount of room and you want to have a lot of desk functionality. This is a great desk. So let me show you what you can do here. You know, you can put your laptop.
College students.
Oh, it is totally perfect for college students. What it has is it's just a single piece of aluminum. It's very, you know, stylish. But when you want a little more space, you take this inside bit. And this slides out. Now this is a completely separate piece that slides inside, like so. And now you have a little desk.
Workstation.
A little typing.
Yeah, actually this is pretty nice. And you've got a little room for your, you know, your paperwork for here or here.
Yeah, you put your mouse here, you can put a printer, a second monitor, and what have you. That's right. And then so you're typing away, type. Oh. Like so. And when you're done typing for the day and you want to, you know, and you need a little bit more room, you just take this. And this just slides right back.
Gotcha.
Like that.
Oh, very nice.
And see how little room that takes up?
That is, because desks are big for the most part. They're bulky, they take up a lot of space.
They're hard to move around and bulky, and you're right. These are very small, very stylish. And again, when you're done for the day, you push that back and you're all done.
So it also has. I asked Ben, where do you put your cords? Because I'm thinking, yeah, it looks nice, but
let's
you know,
turn this around here.
Where does all your cords go? Because you know what a mess that looks like.
Right. So take a look here. You've got on the back here this shelf, and all your power blocks and power adapters can go on the shelf, and then they have these little notches where you can wrap your power cords around there.
So you basically have everything plugged in. Now that makes it to where you do have to find your spot with your you
need a power bar and that kind of stuff, you know. So it's not I don't think it's designed to be overly mobile.
Sure.
Just out of the way. This is kind of neat as well. You can have it set up in this functionality like so, where you're just typing away. But if you want to have a little more space, you can set it up in kind of an L shape. Check this out.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Like so.
Great idea.
So now you could be, you know, you could put your monitor up here, and now you can scooch in. And now you're using it as like a little L workstation.
Wow, you can actually even have one that's a little bit bigger. Oh, do they make, is it only a two-piece set?
This is what they have right now. It's just these two pieces.
A two-piece set. Say if you wanted one more.
You could buy two.
You could, yeah, you could swing it all the way back
around. Buy two and make a U out of it.
And this is just about paper size. You know, I'm looking right here, just about paper size, so perfect.
That's right, or a great place for your mouse.
Or your elbows. Or just take a nap on your desk.
That's right. And again, let's fold it back up again, so at the end of the day, when you want a little more room, it's ready to
time to have a party at my place, and we need to put the work away.
That's right. Or it could make a nice buffet for your hors d'oeuvres.
Oh, there you go. So many uses.
Yeah.
What about cost?
What about cost? Not the cheapest desk in the world. This is high fashion design, I guess you would call it. Right now he's asking $8.99.
Well, the thing is, and that is a little surprising because
it's not IKEA, baby.
Right. But just so you know, as far as the quality is concerned, this is solid, what, aluminum?
Yeah, it's aluminum.
Solid aluminum.
It's beautifully designed. I mean, it's very Mac-y.
Also, stainless steel is in, you know, so if you have a great room with a kitchen, you know, it's going to match, you know, match everything really well. But really great design and very high quality. It's not, another thing you can see, it's not really shaky at all.
No,
so
I think you're going to be able to put your monitor on there. It's going to make a nice little station.
Right. This reminds me of the MacBook, the skinny one. What do you call it?
The MacBook Air.
Yeah. This is like the desk.
It's made out of the same
This is the desk version of the MacBook Air.
Definitely.
And it matches the MacBook Air.
Yep, it looks beautiful. So that is the OneLessDesk. Very, very cool product. If you are looking for a single desk that you can take in and put out very, very easily, I think it's a great little product.
Me too. I really like it.
And that's all the time we have today. Visit our website. Tell us what you think of the desk.
Would you buy it for $8.99? If not, what would you pay for it?
What would you pay for it? And we will pass that back to them, and you can let us know. And that's www.neo-fight.tv. And that's all the time we have for this week.
Thanks for joining us.
Send us those comments, and if you have an extra 30 seconds, stay tuned.